Greetings to our lecturer. We are Group 12 and we are going to present about our project today. Before starting off with our presentation, I would like to introduce myself. I am JAISHNAVI MUNISPARAN from 2 BMFG. This project was prepared by 5 of us. As for myself, I'll be presenting the introduction and conclusion of this project. The product that was used for our project is a handheld vacuum cleaner. The aim of this project is mainly to improve the environmental sustainability of the product by integrating environmental aspects into the design stage. There are 3 objectives for this project. First of all is to develop the product life cycle, eco-design web and eco-indicator of the product. Secondly is to analyze and compare the environmental impacts of the product towards the environment. Last but not least is to improve environmental sustainability of the product by redesigning the product. That's all from me for introduction, and I'll be passing on to the next person to explain further about our project.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SITI NASUHA binti DERAMAN. Today I will present about product life cycle. Okay, this is our product which is handheld vacuum cleaner that contain 50 components. Okay, for the product life cycle methodology, it uses the LCT tools, which is a life cycle taking tools, to analyze the product life cycle. Then LCT tools can capture overall environmental impact through the material process, distribution, product use, and also the end of product. And for the step of doing product cycle, we have 5 basic steps, which is the resources extraction and refining, which is we know where is the raw material coming from, what manufacturing process they use, what kind of transport they use to distribute the product used by consumer, and the end of life product consumer, which is whether the product can be reused, recycled or not. Okay, for the result and discussion, from this product cycle, we know that it has been divided into 5 categories, which is plastic, rubber, metal, aluminium, and lithium. Okay, for the plastic product cycle, we have about 8 components that have been produced from petroleum-based plastic. They have been produced by different type of manufacturing process to produce the different size or shape. Second is for the metal product. The product we come from the metal is power insert, spring, also motor. The next one is for the lithium, being produced the battery. The fourth one is aluminum product. We produce the electrical assembly, which is contain LED light and electrical wire. And the last one is a rubber product, is a nozzle seal that come from rubber tree. Okay, from all of this, we can know what kind of transport they use, what kind of emission that will get to spread to the environment, and also what kind of raw material they use to produce the product. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. My name is Muhammad AKMAL bin YUSOP. I will present in the eco-design web part. First of all, I will start with the methodology section. Eco-design web is works by comparing the 7 design areas with the others to spot better than or worse than output by using this template. This template contains 7 points and the colors will represent as the impact of product. Once the activity is complete, the crosses are going to be joined, and therefore the shape that created will illustrate which areas need the most attention. Next, I will describe a little bit of the result and discussion. This is the result before it is redesigned. We can see where there are 3 sections located in the bed position. That is new ways of doing it, material selection and product use. Based on the eco-design web, the vacuum cleaner is designed for one purpose only, and the material that used is bad to the environment. Most of the material that used is plastic, and it is fossil based. Plastic is the non-sustainable raw material. For the product use, this product will use large energy consumption to remove debris from the floor and other surface by the electricity driven. While after redesign, the part located in the bad position turns into good condition. This new design is a multifunctional product. In the material selection section, the material used is changed to a more sustainable material, which is biodegradable plastics. There are many advantages by using biodegradable plastics, which is easy to recycle through organic process, and it is non-toxic materials. In the product use section, the function of product is added with the vacuum cleaner can remove all dirt from floor in wet or dry condition. So this product is more flexibility. That's all from my part. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Timothy. I will continue the presentation with Eco Indicator. Eco Indicator is a simple life cycle assessment tool that enables the stage of life cycle that causing larger environment impact to be identified. There are 5 steps should be performed to complete one Eco Indicator analysis. For the first step, define the life cycle. Life cycle of vacuum cleaner is defined by using process tree. For the second step, assumption. Assumption that made for this vacuum cleaner is product lifespan, average daily use, and distance to be transferred for distribution. For the third step, relevant unit, where the total weight of vacuum cleaner and transport for fish, oceanic, and truck is calculated. The transport is calculated by using this formula. Next, the energy during use for old design and new design also is calculated. Next, fill in the form. The result that we get in calculation for the previous step will fill in this form. For the indicator value, it is referred to Eco Indicator 99. The result will get by multiplying amount and indicator. For the last step is interpret the result. Here we can see that amount material of stainless steel and ABS is reduced. Process of injection molding and production of motor also reduced. In previous design, the largest environment impact is caused by construction energy and material. So, in new design, the construction energy is reduced. In the same time, the global warming also can be reduced. The weight of vacuum cleaner also reduced, and the material that used in new design is biodegradable material. That's all for me. Thank you.
Now we will proceed to design improvement. To improve our design, we use the method of compare. We compare the data and the analysis from the previous task, which is the life cycle thinking, the eco design web, and eco indicator. We considered each of the pros and cons of the material, and then we compared them to choose the best for the new design. As for the result, we create the new design. This is the old design of the product, and this is the new design of the product. For the material, we make a few changes. As for the new design, for the body part, we still use the same plastic material for the new design. For power button, we use recycled plastic. For fan bottom, we use the PVC because of the hardness. For the battery, we use lithium ion because it is cheaper. And for the nozzle seal, we use the silicone rubber because it is more eco-friendly and non-toxic. All the material for the new design that chosen, we chose because the material is cheaper than the old one, and it will reduce the overall process cost. And at the same time, it can keep the environment clean by using recycled type material. And for the conclusion, the product improvement is necessary as it gives the positive impact on the environment and at the same time fulfill consumers' requirements that help in to support green manufacturing without putting the environment at stake.
In a nutshell, sustainable manufacturing is the creation of manufactured products through economically sound processes that minimizes negative environmental impacts while conserving energy and natural resources. Last but not least, design for environment is one of the elements that is required in the design stage. The project was undertaken with the aim to improve the environmental sustainability of the product by integrating environmental aspects into the design stage. In this assignment, the study on sustainability, design for environment, product lifecycle, eco-design web, and eco-indicator was performed. The objectives were also achieved through the methodology that was used. That's all from me. Thank you so much.